Today we're making coleslaw. Come on in, welcome to my home. It's almost summer. Well, it's time for a nice cookout, the first one of the season, so I thought I would make a side for our cookout. I'm making coleslaw. This is so easy to make. The only thing which took some time was the cabbage. This is 8 cups of shredded cabbage, and it was only half a cabbage. The original recipe that I saw said it would take a full head of cabbage. This was only half of it. And I have half a head of cabbage I don't know what to do with. But anyway, let's get started. All the ingredients are listed down below in the description. So, I'm going to take my carrot. I'm leaving the carrot as in big pieces because I like that. And then the onion. Now I'm going to mix these well. You can see in mine that my cabbage is all different sizes. I have from fine to a medium. It's like just a bit bigger than the size of a grain of rice to really, really fine. Of course, there are a few pieces which are bigger, but that's okay. That's it. There's nothing to it. Now, let's make our coleslaw sauce. Slaw? I have no idea. It's going to start off with mayonnaise. To that, I'm going to add salt, pepper, and sugar. I'm using apple cider vinegar. You can use whatever vinegar you like. Lemon juice. And I'm going to mix those up right now. To that, I'm going to add buttermilk and regular milk. You want to blend this until it is thoroughly mixed. Now, we're going to take this mixture and dump it over our cabbage mixture. And of course, mix this. Now, from my experience, I tried eating this right away. It's good, don't get me wrong. But what we're going to do is we're going to cover it and then refrigerate it for about 2 hours. Our coleslaw has set for about 2.5 hours. You can let it go for longer, you can let it go for a less amount of time. It's up to you. It's roasting hot today. Alright, let's give this a taste. That is really good. You can taste the onion, you can taste you can taste everything. This is really, really good. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you and I hope I get to see you again next time.